Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today, here I am with another class. That is our first class after Eid vacation. I hope all of you are fine. And today, here we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter 9. The name of the chapter is percentage. Okay. I will discuss this chapter in several parts. I am here with part 1. Okay, the name of the chapter is percentage. So let's start. Here in this chapter, we learn about percentage, and also we will learn how to calculate profit and loss. At first, start with percentage. Here, what is percentage? Let's know we try to know the definition here, learn the definition here. That is, the definition of percentage is a ratio expressed as a fraction of 100 is called a percentage. That means if we express a ratio as a fraction of 100, then that is called a percentage, and this percentage is denoted using the percent sign, this red color notation, that is called percent sign here. Okay, let's see now some examples of percentage here. First one, here 1%. We see that 1% equals to 1 by 100. That means 1 of 100 times here. 1 of 100 times. That is 1% equals to 1 by 100. Okay, another one. Here 15%. We see that here 15%, that is equals to 15 by 100. Here look at this fraction and this fraction. Both fractions are expressed as a fraction of 100. Okay, let's see another one here. 200%, that is equals to 200 divided by 100, that is equals to 2. Okay, so we can say that also 200% is equals to 2, equivalent to 2. Okay, let's see another one. 137%, that is equals to 137 by 100. Here 137% expressed as as a fraction of 100, that is 137 by 100. Okay, here we have the note, that is 100% is equivalent to 100%. Look at this percent, that is 100. That means 100 by 100, that is equals to 1. So we can say that 100% is equivalent to 1. So here look at this fraction, that is 200%, that is equivalent to 2. So similarly we can say if we have 300%, then that is equivalent to 3. Okay. Now express the following quantities in fractions and decimals. Here we have 4%, that is 60%, 34%, 89%, 125%, and these are your home task, and try to convert these quantities in fractions and decimals at home. Okay, here now expressing fractions and decimals by using percent symbol. If you are given fractions or decimals and you are asked to convert or express those fractions or decimals by using percent symbol, then how can you do? Okay, let's try here. We already know that 1% equals to, here 1% equals to 1 by 100. So here we have question number 1. We are given 24 by 100. We are asked to convert or express this fraction using percent symbol. So we have here, we can rewrite this fraction that is 24 by 100 as 24 into 1 by 100. And here we know that 1 by 100, that is equals to 1%. So this fraction is equals to 1%, and if we multiply by 24, then we have here 24%. So we can express this that is 1 by 100 as 1%, and here 24. Okay, so the result is 24%. Now we can say 24 by 100, that is 24%. Okay, I hope all of you have understood this. All of you understood this. Okay, now question number 2 here. We are given a decimal fraction here, that is 0.54. 0.54. If we convert this fraction, this decimal fraction into fraction, then we have here 54 by 100. We already know how to convert a decimal fraction into a fraction. Okay, here integer fraction, here we have 54 by 100. So now this one is similar to number 1. Okay, now if we rewrite this fraction, that is 54 by 100, then we have here 54 into 1 by 100. So from this, that is 1 by 100, which is equals to 1%. This fraction is equals to 1%. So we can say that the value of this decimal, given decimals, that is 54%. Okay, now try another one, that is number 3. Okay, number 3, here we are given a fraction, that is 23 by 20. But in our previous 2 given fractions, there 100 in the bottom, that is the numerator. Okay, here in the bottom we are given, that is 100, but in this given fraction we are given 20. So to convert this fraction, at first we have to convert 20 into 100. To convert 20 into 100, we have to look at this, multiply by 5. If we multiply 20 by 5, then we will have 100. And also we have to multiply 23 by 5. Then we will have here 100, that is 20 into 5, that is 100, and in here 23 into 5, that is 115. So we have here 115 by 100. Okay, now if we rewrite this fraction, here we have 115 into 1 by 100. So this 1 by this fraction, that is 1 by 100, which is equals to 1%. Here we are given 1% equals to 1 by 100. We already know that. So we can write that is equals to 115%. Okay. So we learn how to express a given fraction, that is which is as fraction or decimal or any other fraction. Here we learned how to express that given fraction by using percent symbol. Okay, so you have to try similar types of problem, which is your homework. Okay, now let's see what is your homework. Here at first, page number 94, question number 1, all. Okay, and page number 95, question number 1, all. These are your home tasks. Okay, thank you all. Allah Hafiz.